going on? It's your girl Mo Money from Love and Hip Hop New York, and we're rocking with Team Focus Radio. We're so focused. Do it!
Yeah!
Legs, hips, thighs, hope you ready for this ride. Pull up on me, it's a vibe. Know a bet, just arrived. Legs, hips, thighs, hope you ready for the ride. Pull up on me, it's a vibe. Know a bet, just arrived. Legs, hips, thighs, hope you ready for this ride. Pull up on me, it's a vibe. Know a bet, just arrived. Legs, hips, thighs, hope you ready for this ride. Pull up on me, it's a ride. Know a bet, just arrived. I let them parallel park it. Push key, start it. Big body off the market. You can't find us at the auction. Nah. Mama engine make noise when I talk shit. Switch lanes got a little nigga nauseous. Big dope body got him coughing. Dead man, walking. Killing niggas like abortion. Proceed with the caution. Flash shit, only nigga check garments. East ain't around cause apartment. Retreat money like an all switch. If you got the bag, then I'm on dick. Hop on, hop off it. Run the bank counts, then I'm off this. Keep cashing out on the boss bitch with the stash bout. Then I'm off this. Regular. No, I bet he don't do this too often. Nah, nigga. Legs, hips, thighs. Hope you ready for this ride. Pull up on me, it's a vibe. No, I bet just arrived. Legs, hips, thighs. Hope you ready for the ride. Pull up on me, it's a vibe. No, I bet just arrived. Legs, hips, thighs, hope you ready for this ride. Pull up on me, it's a vibe. No, I bet just arrived. Legs, hips, thighs, hope you ready for this ride. Pull up on me, it's a ride. No, I bet just arrived. Like a G. This one, all you bitches is I'm with the streets, been missing, stay on my shit. I'm with the gang shit. I'm with the gang shit. You talking about getting that chicken? You speak about leg, bitch. I'm not complete with my mission, cause I know what game, bitch. I'm with the gang shit. 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 Whoa, I'm on dope, this is a niggas just hoes got nothing to do. And I need them to do, please. I could do it myself, G. I could do it myself, smoke shit. I could do it. Bitches be tough on the name, you see what you say. It be the niggas you raise, begging us to be a part of it. This shit a breeze, niggas just please. It's for yourself, I'ma do it for me. Gotta pay me a fee. I do a step on my jeans. Get to the bag, put you in the driver's seat, we put stuff in the crash. Don't matter at all. You claim you my homie, then I'm putting your name, I ain't looking up. I'm tired of expecting no variation. This one, all you bitches is I want the streets been missing, stay on my shit. I'm with the gang 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 shit.
So focused, I respect you. We are outside right now. Little rain coming down and he's still working.
This is the first time I'm saying this. Nobody knows. Nobody knows this. Oh, that's a good question.
Shout out to So Focus in the building. K-Slate Drama King in the building.
This is your super awesome friend Puma.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Phoebe.
I'm Who Kid, man. You watching Team Focus Radio.
Team Focus Radio.
You are now tuned in to Team Focus Radio.
You watching Team Focus Radio.
You're watching Team Focus Radio with So Focus.
We're so focused.
We're so focused. Team Focus Radio. Tune in.
SoFocusMedia.com